Hey, do you want to see me get a face full of garbage disposer water? So there's the incinerator, and then these are the tools, or the parts that it comes with. I'm not going to be needing this because I'm just going to use the one that's originally in there. That I probably will. And definitely the gaskets. And you always have to be concerned when this is one of the tools to do plumbing with. So in my time on this planet, I have done one or two of these in my life. So they're not that bad. They're not that really that hard to install. But the one thing that I definitely recommend is get a lot of towels. Well, now that you have all your towels in your bowl in place, time to lose your screwdriver. I have my bowl in place. Just undoing this pipe clamp. This actually goes to the dishwasher. There it goes. And this is why you have all the towels. Very first thing you need to do, unplug the power. Now it could be hardwired in, so that means you have to go down to the breaker box and turn that off and find out which breaker. And if you're not comfortable doing electricity, hire a plumber. Not for the electricity, but for the garbage disposer. So the next thing we have to do is unhook this flange right here. Okay, there's a knob here. This one. There we go. Got it off. Alright, so then you use the wrench that they give you, the hex wrench that they give you, to twist this flange off. There we go. Son of a... Alrighty. Now we see the reason for the towels. And removing the power. Just got a face full of water. That's just freaking lovely. Face full of water. Lovely. Alright, now that we have it out, we have to do some little wiring on it, and that's about it. Alright, so got it out. Now the one thing that I have done before is I forgot to empty this out. Don't dump it in the sink where you just have the hole in. Not that I know how that, not that I know why you shouldn't do that. This thing off. Alrighty, that's off. So I'm going to reuse this in the other one, or the new one. That off. Pop these, pop that. Ground is done. Pull this out. And move on to this big bugger. So what we end up doing is we take the wire that we took off the old disposer, feed it through the hole here, and then you tighten it down. Alrighty, so I finally get to use my Navy training and let you guys know on a little secret that a friend of mine, her name is Joy, we will leave her last name out, taught me this: green is ground, the world around. Black to brass to save your ass. And then white. So Joy, thanks a lot for that, and I have never forgotten it. Do the ground wire first. Always do the ground wire first. When you are connecting wires, especially if they're solid, like the solid copper wires that you're using in electrical outlets and other things, you want to make sure that the twist goes with the turning of the screw. So as you turn it, the screw will help pull that wire towards it, and you won't have to worry about it popping off at all. But if you do it the other way, as soon as you start screwing it down, it starts to back out. So always wrap the wire clockwise. So here's our black, a little twisty. Get my Moret. A little more twisty. Just twist that on like that. Alright, looks good. Push those back inside. Get the little cover plate. It's got a little screw. Is this the right cover? Looks like. Screw that down. Now the idea with this is not to smash the wire. It's just to hold it, not so it doesn't move. So this wrench actually comes with every garbage disposer. Now what it's for is, number one, to take the garbage disposer out, but number two, that sound that my old one made, that can sometimes mean that it's gotten a little rusty inside, and what you need to do is break it loose. So that's what that's for. So earlier I was making fun of them saying that a hammer was part of the installation process. Well, it is. There you go. So this is the fun part. Got this little flange up here. Luckily we didn't have to put that in. That thing was not light. Tighten that screw. That should work. No leaks. Take that whole mixture and dump it in. If your garbage disposer smells, this will help. There it is, friends. The garbage disposer installed and working properly. And it kind of ruined my afternoon. I'm a little sweaty. I have garbage water all over me because, well, I dropped the damn thing in the bowl. But at least I had all the towels down. So you guys keep being awesome and have a great day and stay out of trouble. All right, friends, one thing I forgot to tell you about is that little Allen wrench kind of looking thing that came with the garbage disposer. This thing. Keep it with the garbage disposer. Keep it under the sink. Don't put it in a drawer. Don't put it in your toolbox. Keep it there. That way you know it's always there and ready in case you ever need it. So you guys keep being awesome.